So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook pixel successfully in 2023. So right now I'm on my Facebook page, on my Facebook account, on my Facebook home page. So the link above here on your Facebook page, on your Facebook account, you have to remove them. Then you type, do you see this guys? So then you type as manager. So then you click on enter. So it will automatically switch you down your Facebook as manager account. As you can see, the screen is showing welcome to as manager right now. Okay, so guys, we are in. Just wait a few more seconds. I want everything to load. On this account, I have not run any ads. So, hold on. What I want to see is still loading. Okay guys, so do you see these three buttons? Click on these three buttons on your Ads Manager account. Once you click on these three buttons, do you see this Events Manager? Click on Events Manager. Okay, hold on guys, still loading. So guys, now I'm in Event Manager. So you click on Create Connect Data. Click on this Connect Data button. Then wait for a few seconds for it to load. Loading. So guys, once it is done loading, it will show you these four options: web, app, offline, CRM. So we are going to click on web. Once you click on web, you click on connect, click on connect. Then you will see this name of your pixel. So now this is when you have to go down to your buyer's store, Shopify store. So I'm going to show you my random store here. I want you to see how to do everything. So you click on this online bar here, online store bar. Click on it. Then you scroll down to preference. So click on preference. So you scroll down in this preference section. Do you see this guys? Facebook pixel. So click on setup Facebook. Okay, wait a few seconds, it's still loading guys. Okay, so now I will have to connect my Facebook. I have already connected my Facebook successfully, but currently the region I am, they are not allowed to, okay, you see, to actually publish a Facebook shop. So I will teach you how to publish a Facebook shop successfully, regardless of the region you are, apart from the USA. So stay tuned for my next video regarding that. So now, as you can see my screen, you click on connect account. You see, right now I have successfully connected my account. Do you see guys? I've connected my Facebook account successfully. And you can see this Facebook account is not eligible for setup. We are offering to set up in your region. You see, we don't offer shop or catalog set up in your region. I told you earlier, but there's a way I'm going to do it in my next video, and I want you to stay tuned for that also. So now I'll go back down. Okay, there's something I want to do here. I'll copy my username here. Then this event manager. Now I will paste my username in this name your pixel. Then I'll click on create pixel. So here, this is where I will add my store link. You can add your buyer's link. You can add even a WordPress website link here. So now I'll go back here, click on home page. So I will open my store now. When I open it now in the new tab, so that I can copy the link of my store. So you see guys, this is my store here. So I'm clicking on preview. So we are here right now. So I will copy the link above. I'll copy the link above right now. Copy successfully. So I'm going back to Event Manager now. So I'm pasting my Shopify store link right now. So after that, you click on check. You see, once it marks this green, the link is legit and the link is okay. So you click on next. Okay, so guys, this is how we successfully link our conversion AIP and Metapixel recommend. This is the recommended one, Metapixel only. This is what I want to do right now. As you can see, this is my ID on my hardware on my Facebook Ads Manager. So you click on next. Hold on, rewind. So guys, good. We have successfully set up our Facebook pixel successfully. So now this is what my next video is going to be all about. How to set up a Facebook shop, but we also have here on your Instagram account, regardless of the region you have. Even apart from USA, you could do it. So just stay tuned for my next video about that. Kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified immediately I publish my new video. Thank you.